Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix broken or unplayable video files on OpenArt. So the broken or unplayable videos in this platform usually come from export issues, codec problems, interrupted rendering or corrupted generation outputs. So actually guys, first you will need to re-export the video, and that's the most important fix. So many broken files are just incomplete exports. So you will need to click on download right here or export again and choose a different quality like 720 right here instead of 1080p, and wait until the generation is fully finished before downloading. All right, so once you choose here, you will need to click on generate again and then wait until it finished and download it. Okay, so if you downloaded too early, or if you downloaded too early, the file may be incomplete. Also guys, you will need to check if the file is actually corrupted or just unsupported. So sometimes the video works but your player can't open it, so you can try to play it in the VLC media player, that one. All right, so this one, yeah, or try another browser and device. Also guys, they really advise you to regenerate instead of re-download. Okay, so if the file is already broken, just go back to the projects and click generate video and avoid reusing the same file or failed export file. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.